All right, everybody, you're here because you want to work with some fractions. So I'm going to make up a problem in point slope form where we have to use a fraction and a whole number. So I have y plus 3 equals 2/3 times x minus 4. All right, so we're going to use the distributive property first. I'm going to keep y plus 3 the same on the left. I'm not doing anything to change that side. Distributive property means I'm going to multiply 2/3 by x. And I also have to take 2/3 times this -4. I'm going to show you on the right side what that means. 2/3 times -4. Okay? So this is just like explaining what we're doing. Oops, I got to put a times there. Timesing something by 4 means you need 4 copies of it. Okay? So if I have 4 copies of 2/3, that would be 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. Multiplication is nothing other than repeated addition. Now, how many do I have? I have 2/3 plus 2 more thirds is 4/3. 4/3 plus 2 more thirds is 6/3. And 6/3 plus 2 more thirds is 8/3. And it was a negative. So we have -8/3. 2/3 times -4 is -8/3. Okay, because remember, timesing by 4 means you have 4 copies of it. Now, I could have just multiplied across and I would get -8/3. But this is the reason why you can do that. All right, now our goal is to get this into slope-intercept form, so we have to get the y by itself. So I have to subtract 3. Here comes the next problem that students don't know how to do. So I'm going to erase this and show you on the side again. So we have -8/3, and we're trying to subtract 3. I'm not sure why it won't let me delete that. I'll just work down at the bottom. So we have -8/3, and we're subtracting 3. This number is written as a fraction, and this is a whole number. So in order to subtract, we need to have 3 written as a fraction. Well, this fraction is written in thirds, so I need 3 to be written as thirds. Right now you have 3 wholes, 3 circles, and we need to find out how many thirds it's equal to, because dividing by 3 or 8/3 is thirds, splitting into 3 pieces. So how many thirds is 3 equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is equal to 9 thirds. So now instead of thinking -3, we're going to minus 9 thirds. Another way you could have done that is 3 times 3, and that would give you that -9. Now I have -8/3, and I'm going to think of this as minusing 9 thirds. So I have -8 minus 9, and that would be -17 thirds, because -8 minus 9 is -17, and they are both over 3, so I write that over 3. All right, you might have to watch this more than one time or learn how to use a calculator to work with fractions.